Dobre rano, moi canale. Good morning, my channel. We are here at the former Mitchell's Little Market, Mr. Wu's little miniature convenience grocery store. Now it's been remodeled and it's called Bodega Palms, the little market, since 1935. And they open up at 8 in the morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Waiting for them to open up to get something good to eat?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our brand new market here in the neighborhood. It's been reopened. Bodega Palms at 1915 Penmar, which is the intersection of Penmar and Palms, so they are calling it Bodega Palms. I'm Danny Slant. Do you guys want to be on YouTube?
Not really.
Not really? Okay. Okay. I wish you a good morning, beautiful Poochie.
Yeah, he might be.
And
He might be interested in something.
buddy, you want to be on my YouTube channel? I'm really big with the dog section. Anyhow, I hear some noises in there. It means they're getting ready to open up. It's almost 8 o'clock. This market has been around since 1935, and former owner, Mr. Wu, who had run it for many, many years, which I used to come down here almost on a daily basis for something to drink and a lottery ticket. He passed away, and the new owners, Phillip and Kaila, purchased it and put a lot of money bringing it up to code. I know they had to do a lot of renovations, a lot of city permits to be gathered, and now it's open again. So it's officially a little bit past the grand opening, but we're officially open. And now they have this beautiful Volkswagen microbus here. That inside they have a couple seats so that if people get something to eat at the bodega, at the mini market, the junior market here, they can come sit inside here in the microbus and enjoy their food. Plus it's great advertising. Super cool. I can see the brand new compressor they have on the roof up here and this new electrical line, new electrical box. So I know they had to put in a whole bunch of new electrical systems here. They definitely did a lot of financial upgrade to get this place back open again for our community, and it is appreciated. Okay, it's 8 a.m. and Bodega Palms is open, and there's already a line to go in. Okay, this is my first time in the place since Mr. Wu. We've obviously got a freezer with some ice cream treats. We got water. We got soda, we got juices. Looks like we've got some beer and wine over here. Milk, cream, vegetables, popcorn snacks, salsa, chips, vegetable broth, some table oils. So basically everything that you would want at a mini market to pop by. And I noticed we have some other snacks, some necessities here, like toilet paper and stuff. All right. He's got his coffee ready for the morning. Good morning. Tell us who you are.
I'm Megan.
Hi, Megan, and tell us why you're here today.
I'm just trying a new matcha spot.
Okay, so you live in the neighborhood?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, all right, so you said it's open, it's something delicious, and you're craving it?
Yes, it sounds really good.
Okay, so this is another great reason why we are so happy that this business is open here. This has been a staple of the market. The little market has been in this community since 1935.
Wow.
Ever since I was a small little one, I used to come here to get something to drink and get lottery tickets.
Cute. Now it's
And
a coffee shop.
now they've remodeled it, and it's something really cool for the community, so we're definitely trying to support it.
Oh,
Thank you so much for
excited.
being on the channel.
Of course.
And remember, if you enjoy the content of the Danny Slant channel, make sure to press that subscribe button, hit the bell notifications, leave a like, leave a super hype. Hoo, hoo, hoo. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm and allows me to continue bringing you this fantabulous content of the Danny Slant channel.
I want to see your channel now.
Delicious. I need a breakdown. What do we got here? I see poppy seed.
Yeah, we got regular croissant, almond croissant, chocolate, ham and cheese. You got cranberry, poppy seed, gluten-free hazelnut, plain bagel, key lime, mushroom and parmesan, tomatoes tartar, everything bagel.
And coffee and tea.
Yeah, you have coffee, you have matcha. You can get a drip coffee for $2.99 or a cold brew. So we qualify for hopefully Danny Slant getting the, what is it, 5 for 5?
Dan ate here.
Yeah, there we
Danny
go.
Slant 8 here, $8 or under. You can get
Oh,
your
you
breakfast.
can get it easy. You can get croissant and a coffee.
Nice.
For sure. All right, thank you, sir.
Hi, I'm Danny Slant. Tell us who you are.
Hi, this is Chantel.
My name is Dante.
Hi guys, and why did you come here to Bodega Palms today?
Well, our dad like wanted some coffee.
We
Okay.
ran out of coffee.
Yeah. So we went here to like get some coffee.
Perfect. So it's time to wake up, get a little coffee,
Yeah.
say rise and shine, and start your day.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm really glad that you guys are here and you're supporting a local business here, and that's what it's all about supporting our Venice local business.
100%, right?
Okay, thanks so much for being on the channel. Check it out. It'll be on later tonight. It's Danny Slant, S-L-A-N-T.
Awesome. Thank
Cool.
you so much.
Ciao, ciao for now.
Bye.
Good morning. I'm Danny Slant. Who are you?
Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. And why are you here today?
I am here to try the matcha today.
Okay.
I had a coffee the other day and it was delicious.
So definitely way to start your morning.
Yes,
Supporting
absolutely.
something new in our neighborhood.
Yes, very exciting. This area has definitely been lacking, so I'm very excited
For
about
sure,
it.
for sure. There's always been a mini market here since 1935, and it's been closed. So we really appreciate the new owner Phillip here and his wife Kaila opening up and
Yes.
supporting our local neighborhood, keeping it local. We got a line out the door. It must be good.
Yes, exactly. And I think I'm gonna get a burrito.
Yes, breakfast burrito.
Delicious.
I would get one myself, and my wife says, Mom Velky Briscoe, she says I have a big belly and I gotta lose some weight this summer. She says get on your bike and ride more miles. Stop eating so much. Maybe more matcha and less burrito. But they're delicious, I heard, so please enjoy. Thank you so much. Check out the channel. It'll be later on tonight.
Bye, everyone.
Ciao, ciao for now. Bye, Poochie. What's the doggy's name?
Murphy.
Murphy. Hi, Murphy.
He loves it
Choo choo.
Yeah, we don't live too far from here, and so it's the first time we're trying it, so we're gonna see. I'm excited though.
And what are you gonna get?
I'm gonna just get an iced matcha.
Iced matcha, and yourself?
Probably some kind of coffee.
Some kind of coffee or matcha. Sounds like a good way to start the day.
Yeah,
I've already
great.
had mine, and I'm ready to hit my bike and get down to the ocean front and get on that bike path.
Great.
Okay, I really appreciate you guys
Yeah, of
coming on the
course.
channel. Check it
Enjoy.
out. It'll be on later today. It's Danny Slant, S-L-A-N-T.
Danny Slant. All right, have a good one.
Ciao, ciao for
Enjoy.
now. Can I get you guys on my YouTube channel? I just want to get some people who are jumping into the little microbus here.
Yeah.
This is the place that. Okay, so now you're inside the microbus here.
Yes,
Is
I
it-
am.
And what do you got? You got some
I got a coffee.
coffee. Okay. Oh, he's sampling. He's sampling your
Let
coffee.
me see, God. Mmm,
Delicious, right?
delicious, my God.
Okay.
Wow. God,
Perfect.
guys, try it.
I'm,
This is great.
I'm good. I appreciate that. I've already had enough coffee today. If I have any more, I'm ready to get the caffeine.
I think
I'm ready to go.
I think I'm starting it with.
Yeah, for sure. That's the best way. I got to get on the bike path and ride my 10 miles for the morning
Oh
and get
my
my
God,
exercise.
good, right, yeah.
Okay, so I'm glad you came down here. This market has been in Venice since 1935. So now the new owners have put in a lot of money and time to
Yes.
reopen it, and it's definitely needed in our community. So we appreciate you coming out here and
We're
supporting it.
waiting, we're like hoping, and we're so happy this one is open. You know, at least we have some place to walk, right? To have a breakfast.
Yeah, yeah.
To hanging around.
You
Yes,
live local?
It's like we do.
Yeah.
Yes.
So is it you're a community member who shops locally
Yes,
and lives locally?
that's right.
Love
that's
to
right.
hear that.
Yep.
And what's your name?
Shirley,
Shirley. I'm Danny Slant.
and this is Derek and Courtney.
Hi, make sure you guys check out the channel, okay? Remember, if you're enjoying the content of the Danny Slant channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notifications, leave a like, leave a comment. It all helps with the algorithm and allows me, Danny Slant, to bring you this fantabulous content.
Tell me because next day, I mean, I did not brush my teeth. I did not wash. I just wrong to here today. Next
Well,
time
you know,
I'll put some makeup.
No, here's the best part about LA. We're all beautiful people and we look
Yes,
good.
we are.
That's a state requirement. If you're gonna live in California, we only allow the beautiful people here. Hey, don't hate us. It's just the truth, okay?
Right.
Okay,
All
ciao,
right.
ciao, ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao.
Nice meeting you. Check out later tonight. It'll be
Okay,
online. Danny
bye.
Slant, S-L-A-N-T.
Bye.
Come back this way.
Okay, this is what we like to see. People riding their bikes to come visit the bodega. We love the bike riders of Venice.
Yay!
Say ciao, ciao, everybody.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Have a good day!
You too. Good morning. Tell us who you are.
Hey, Phillip owner of Bodega Palms, along with my wife. Just opened 2 weeks ago yesterday. Really thankful for the support from the community. Obviously, for a lot of holdover Mitchell's customers that have been coming here for many years. Also some new customers. Everybody's really been enjoying it. It's been overwhelming. We've done our best to try to meet the demand. At times we run out of things, even down to cups and coffee beans. But you know, we've done our best, and we're elated by the support and really excited to serve the community.
That's awesome, Phil. And obviously, I came here this morning just a few minutes before you opened, and you already had a line. Everybody needs a place. This community right here, our Penmar Park community, we obviously need a place where we could get coffee, matcha, tea, a mini market, something to drink, a beer, a wine, breakfast burritos for sure, something to drink for the doggies.
Oh, this is my wife. This is my wife.
Hi, I'm Danny Slant.
Actually.
Hi, you did the one video. I love it.
I do a ton of videos, and I wanted to do this now. As I rode my bike here when you guys had just opened up last week, I was like, ding ding. I saw Phillip. I'm like, hey. He's like, stop by. I'm like, for sure.
And we actually just I actually just texted with Mr. Wu's wife, and we're gonna get her to stop in the market within the next couple of weeks.
That's
so we're really
great.
excited about that.
Okay, so do you know what's the one thing I want to suggest that you can get to the market? Maybe you guys can start working on?
Yeah, sure.
Do you know what it is? Do you know what my running joke was with Mr. Wu?
I forget. You had mentioned it, but I forget.
Okay, so I used to always come up here for something to drink and a lottery ticket.
Yeah.
And I used to always joke, hey, when I hit the big Powerball, when I hit the big jackpot, I'm gonna buy you a brand new Mercedes. And he used to laugh and laugh and laugh. He thought that was hilarious. But you know, I would always come up here almost every day buying the lottery tickets. So I'm really hoping you guys can get some lotto tickets.
I don't know if we're gonna get back in the lotto game or the cigarette game. His wife was like, she was like, don't do it, it's such a headache. I'm not gonna say no, but I'm gonna say
I make you the same promise. If I hit the big Powerball lottery with the thing, I'll buy you another microbus there for the
Maybe
place.
we'll bring it back then.
Great, awesome. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
The place is obviously off the hook. I know you got a line of customers in there. Let's get back in there.
Appreciate it.
Great chatting with you.
Thank you, Danny. See ya.
Nice to meet you as well. Best of luck to Bodega and Palms.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is Danny Slant from the corner of Penmar and Palms Boulevard here at Bodega and Palms, saying ciao ciao for now.
Danny Slant is a Slavic American. He loves long distance bicycle touring.